samahan sa hirap at ginhawa, sa lungkot at saya. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa RPN. Noong simula pa lamang, kayo ang naging magulang.
Sa aking bawat hakbang, turo nyo'y tamang daan.
Sa aking mga pagsubok, kayo'y lahat.
RPN Radio Philippines Network, DZRL Batak, DZKI Iriga, DYKB Bacolod, DYKC Cebu, DXKS Surigao, DXKO Cagayan de Oro, DXXX Zamboanga, DXKD Dipolo, DXKT Davao, DXDX General Santos, RPN Radio Philippines Network.
RPN Radio Philippines Network, Radyo Ronda, DZKI Iriga, member kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Ang oras na ini, dara po sa Indukan Losenya Electrical Supply para po sa madikalidad na electrical product. Day po kalingawan, Losenya Electrical Supply. Losenya Electrical Supply, madaling makukuha, aranisa na sa Barangay Hall, San Francisco, Iriga City. Owned and managed by Engineer Meneleo Losenya.
Matatapos na ang taon, wala pa ring ipon.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry and Elyonario! Pwede kang maging milyonaryo ngayong Pasko! Mag-transact lang sa M. Luwalier from October 5 to December 31, 2025. Punta na sa M. Luwalier para Christmas ay merrier! Grand draw for Merry M. Elyonario promo is on January 8, 2026. Per DTI Fair Trade Permit number FTEB 238749 series of 2025.
Need a hotel? GSAC Hotel is a perfect option when you are on a budget. Nice room, new and modern. The prices are great. Very good option to stay if you need a good and simple hotel. They have air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi. They also have fantastic family room, all of which deliver the perfect blend of home and hotel. GSAC Hotel is located at corner Luna Candol and Quezon Streets, Gubat, Sorsogon City, beside the GSAC main branch. Call them at 0930-1398-007 or at 0965-150-7477.
Maulan man, no worries na amoy kulob ang damit.
Charm Fabcon, bangong pumakabloom, tanggal amoy kulob sa bango ng Charm.
Charm Fabcon with Bloom Fresh technology. Kills 99.9% of kulob-causing bacteria tested. May aroma burst pa of thousands of flowers and berries.
Ang sampay sa loob, no amoy kulob.
Bangong kumakabloom sa Charm.
Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS, good palumit man siya. Hello, right for blue. Isang labanan yan. Right for blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Good palumit man siya. Hello, right for blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng antivirus, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap.
Gadan ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Tupod ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Halik sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo. Plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Arog kayan, pag Smart ang Dishwashing Paste, may double tanggaling formula. Tanggal kaling ng sebo, asin bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linig, kada pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang kinis na niya. In fairness, nag-glow up. May budget.
So solid. White Rose Papaya, wow, White Rose. White Rose Papaya, wow, White Rose. White Rose Papaya. May glow up with White Rose Papaya.
Sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa puti power ×2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Glow up by the power of two.
White Rose Papaya. Kuti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Sa panagos na pag-asigura na ang pirang taon na tiwala sa kalidad kan mga materyales na mababakal sa Ngo & Sons, mantinido, pinagmarhay, kan Ngo Brothers, na dai na mag-arog sa iba na nagpapabakal nin mga substandard asin undersized na mga bakal, arog kan kabilya, angled bars, asin iba pa, tasigon sa mga eksperto, nakabarato kaman sa presyo, alagad dai asertado ang siring na mga materyales, asin posibleng magdulot pa nin diskwido. Kaya sa Ngo & Sons, ang materyales mo nakasunod sa Philippine standards. De kalidad, asin sigurado, nasa tamang standards. Asin safe, ang sa imong familia. Ngo & Sons, ang ngaran na matitiwalaan. Poon kadto, sagkod ngunyan.
Maulan man, no worries na amoy kulob ang damit.
Charm Fab Con. Bangong kumakabloom. Tanggal amoy kulob sa bango ng Charm.
Charm Fabcon with Bloom Fresh technology. Kills 99.9% of kulob-causing bacteria tested. May aroma burst pa of thousands of flowers and berries.
Ang sampay sa loob, no amoy kulob.
Bangong kumakabloom sa Charm.
Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. Ikot pa lumipas siya. Hello, Bright Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan. Bright Bar Blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Ikot pa lumipas siya. Hello, Bright Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng pati virus, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, Gadan ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Tubod ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Hali sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo.
Smart
dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo. Plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Araw kayan, pag Smart ang Dishwashing Paste, may double tanggaling formula. Tanggal kaling ng sebo, asin bakterya.
Pahit para walang pahit. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linig, kada pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang.
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
Dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang kinis na niya.
In fairness, nag-glow up.
May budget.
So solid. White rose papaya, wow, white rose. White rose papaya, wow, white rose. White rose papaya.
May glow up with a white rose papaya.
Puti sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa puti power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Glow up by the power of 2.
White Rose Papaya. Kuti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Buhay Sa Cooperative is a multi-purpose cooperative offering a wide array of savings and loan products. GSAC offers high-yielding interest rate for savings for education, retirement, time deposit, affluent youth savers, and regular savings accounts. GSAC also offers financing services for businesses, agriculture, private and government employees, marketing, medical, housing, and many more. GSAC also offers allied services such as GSAC Card, GSAC Hotel, and GSAC Diagnostic Center. For your medical needs, we have GSAC General Hospital Incorporated. To help you in your agricultural ventures, we have 222 Agri-Industrial Corporation. Visit the nearest GSAC branch now. GSAC, the keeper of your trust.